What does Daddy have? Oh my goodness! This is from your grandpa.
You want to open it up, Noah?
Oh my goodness, the dogs are excited. Come here, Daisy.
They're helping you.
What did Grandpa get you?
The dogs know the drill. Oh, look at that, Noah. Oh.
Whoa. Come here, Daisy.
Alright, let's get it out of the paper. There you go. There it is.
Noah, what did Grandpa get you? Wow, look at
You
you.
know exactly what to do. Wow.
Daddy push you?
You go, Noah. Ready? Let's go. You spin? Steer. There you go. Feet up. Put your feet up.
Whoa, oh, you're going to get the paper. Do you want Daddy to push you on your new car? Oh. Well, the dogs are pretty excited.
Yeah. Oh, good wrapping paper.
Noah, do you want to ride on your new car?
Here's your car, Noah. Let's go ride your car.
Everybody's excited about the paper.
Hi, Noah.
Whoa!
Alright, let's check out the car.
Ebony's gonna go for a ride with you.
Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, you're crazy. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Yeah.
Whoa! Look at you.
Oh, what fun. Oh, this is going to be so good. There you go.
There he is.
Works very excellent.
Look at you, Noah.
Yeah, oh yeah, you can spin it. That makes it good.
There you go.